Well, good morning. It is our day 3 Whistler Blackcomb April ski trip. We're at Blackcomb Spring Suites like always, and this is our morning bluebird run down to the village. It's a 200-meter run, perfect warm-up lap in the morning.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Go, when you feel slow, you can still go. Go, when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Look at this beautiful bluebird day today. Not a cloud in the sky, not a person in the lift lines. This resort is empty. In front of us is Blackcomb Mountain. We're just passing the tree line. Goodbye, trees. Behind us is Whistler Mountain. It's pretty awesome that when you ski between the two, you can see where you just skied a few hours earlier or where you'll be later on in the day. These runs that you see are basically, they look like the three fingers if you're over on Whistler looking over here to Blackcomb side. But it's deceiving because although this looks like Blackcomb Mountain, on the other side of this ridge right in front of us is a whole glacier and all kinds of runs that way. To the left of us is all Harmony runs. It's ridiculous how big this resort is. Even Whistler behind us, you're seeing just a portion of it. You're not seeing the back of the mountain. You're not seeing the back of Whistler Peak, and you're not seeing Symphony. Yeah. Awesome, awesome.
Day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
That lift right there. I was going so fast, I almost completely started flying over.
Involuntary airtime.
Yeah.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Look how bright this corduroy is right here.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it.
Well, we're at the top of Glacier Express. Behind me, you can see Spanky's Ladder. That's where people are going up. Blackcomb Glacier is on the other side. And just had to switch out a battery. Killed the first battery today so far. Alright, let's do Ridge Runner. We've never done Ridge Runner before. So this right here is the CBC trees. There's a big forest fair, I don't even know how long ago, years ago, and it made it for some epic tree skiing with good visibility. Oh, yo, look at the little piece of moss. Yeah! I'll catch you, moss. Hold on. Come to me, Tumbleweed. Aww. I want to catch it and roll past me. No, it's all fucking bumpy. We'll do Ridge Run all the way down. Last year that room was closed the entire time we were here.
Yeah.
It was so annoying. Hey!
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
What are you thinking? Think you can do it? Yeah, I'd say it's a 40 degrees. It's the same as ours back at home, just much longer. So if you want to send it, we can send it. If you don't want to, that's fine by me. It's what you're comfortable with that. Oh, he's sending it, I guess. Fuck, alright. Well, I guess I'm going too.
I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
T-shirt, hat, sunglasses.
Are you like absolutely cooking right now?
Oh yeah, we're taking our shit off the top right now.
Have fun though?
Yeah.
I'm holding my toes and not getting stuck.
Hand on it.
stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
For Highway 86, we get
Yeah,
to
I'm
Upper
about to
Peak
fade
52
away.
and
Cause every time I
For
wake
just
up,
a little
I feel
change of
like
pace.
it's Monday.
And that matches back up with the road.
Chemicals within my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never
I didn't notice that bump while I was recording you.
will choose to stay.
That was funny.
I know you told
Yeah.
your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have a purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray